Did the DTC pick Canton over XRP? Canton over XRP, the debate that everyone keeps getting wrong. I hear y'all in my comments. Canton's replacing XRP. XRP's cooked. Canton is the chosen one. First of all, comparing Canton to XRP is like comparing the engine to the transmission. And that's the part of the debate that you all keep getting it wrong. Can XRP do two different use cases? Can XRP solve two completely different problems? On this episode of DCRYPTOFAN, I'm going to break down exactly what Canton does and when it started, and I'm going to break down exactly what XRP does. This is DCRYPTOFAN, where all we do is talk crypto and make it easy for you to learn. No hype, no cap. All right? First of all, I know why y'all keep comparing Canton to XRP. Right now, Canton is exploding. You're hearing a lot of the biggest names in finance connected to Canton, like Microsoft, like DTC, like Goldman Sachs, like HSBC, and a dozen other financial institutions. Those big names, people only automatically assume there can only be one winner. All right? So let's get into facts. Canton Network was launched in 2023. It was created by Digital Assets. Right now, Canton is ranked number 17 with a $6 billion market cap. And its simple mission is to manage tokenized assets. Okay? Manage treasuries, bonds, money market funds, and real-world assets inside a private, compliant environment. Keyword, private. Privacy and compliance. Okay? That's what they do. Institutional atomic settlement. What's atomic settlement? It's like me trading my Jordan 3s for your Jordan 11s at the same time, simultaneously. Okay? At the same time. That's how the trade happens. Okay? And that's important because when you're moving billions, institutions are moving billions of dollars, that feature is important. Moving billions in dollars and trading simultaneously at the same time. That's atomic settlement. Okay? That's what Canton's feature is. Privacy between institutions, and it's compliant and regulated. Okay? Now, let's compare to XRP. XRP started in 2012. XRP is ranked right now number 5 with a market cap of $78 billion versus Canton $6 billion. And that's not a shot at Canton, just telling y'all the math. What XRP does, XRP moves liquidity. It moves money between institutions. Basically, it would take 3 to 5 days to move money. XRP moves it 3 to 5 seconds. That's what XRP does. Regulated for institutions. All right? That's what XRP does. And I know why y'all comparing them, because y'all hearing the names DTC. Y'all hear the names Goldman Sachs, which Goldman Sachs holds the most XRP ETFs. So y'all hearing these names and y'all thinking there can only be one winner. But like I keep using this car analogy, for a car to move, it takes a lot of moving parts that do different things. So does the financial system. The new financial system is going to take multiple layers that do 2 different things. Canton, privacy. XRP, movement of liquidity. 2 different use cases. You get it? Car needs multiple moving parts to move. Financial system's going to need multiple parts to move. All right? If you learn something, hit a like, hit a subscribe. And I know y'all learned something. You feel this can help somebody, hit a repost, hit a share. This is DCRYPTOFAN. All we do is talk crypto and make it easy for you to learn. No hype, no cap. Crypto gang gang. Which coin do you see more value in? Canton, privacy, XRP that moves liquidity, or do you think there's room for us all? DCRYPTOFAN. Let's go.